1000 Inventions That Changed the World. Leyden jar. The Leyden jar is a historic electrical device that played a pivotal role in the study and development of electricity in the 18th century. Named after the Dutch city of Leyden, now Leiden, where it was invented in the 1740, the Leyden jar was one of the earliest forms of capacitors and contributed significantly to the understanding of static electricity. Invention and development. The Leyden jar was independently invented by multiple scientists in the mid-18th century, including Peter van Maschenbroek, Ewald Georg von Kleist, and Andreas Cornelius. However, it was Maschenbroek who is credited with its discovery in 1745 while conducting experiments on electrostatics at the University of Leiden. Design and construction. The Leyden jar consists of a glass jar or bottle filled with water or a conductive solution, into which a metal rod or wire is inserted. The inside and outside surfaces of the jar act as electrodes, and when a static electrical charge is applied to the metal rod, it is stored in the Leyden jar, creating an electric potential difference between the inner and outer surfaces. Functionality. The Leyden jar functions as a type of capacitor, storing and releasing electrical energy in the form of static electricity. When a high voltage charge is applied to the metal rod, electrons accumulate on one side of the jar, while an equal positive charge accumulates on the other side. This creates a strong electrical potential between the two surfaces, which can be discharged rapidly when a conducting path is provided. Experimental uses. The Leyden jar was used extensively in early experiments on electricity and electrostatics, allowing researchers to generate and store high-voltage electrical charges for various purposes. It was employed in demonstrations of electrostatic phenomena, such as electric shocks, sparks, and the attraction and repulsion of charged objects. Contributions to science. The invention of the Leyden jar had profound implications for the study of electricity, providing researchers with a reliable means of generating and storing electrical charges for experimental purposes. It facilitated significant advancements in the understanding of electrical phenomena and laid the groundwork for subsequent discoveries in electromagnetism and electrical engineering. Cultural impact. The Leyden jar captured the public imagination and became a symbol of the burgeoning interest in natural philosophy and experimental science during the Enlightenment period. It featured prominently in public demonstrations and scientific lectures, captivating audiences with its spectacular displays of electrical phenomena. Legacy. Although modern capacitors have largely superseded the Leyden jar in practical applications, its historical significance as one of the earliest electrical devices remains undisputed. The Leyden jar paved the way for the development of modern electrical technology and continues to be celebrated as an important milestone in the history of science and technology. In conclusion, the Leyden jar played a crucial role in the early exploration of electricity and electrostatics, providing researchers with a powerful tool for generating and storing electrical charges. Its invention marked a significant milestone in the history of science and contributed to the rapid advancement of electrical theory and experimentation during the Enlightenment era.